Welcome to Cyberlie USA, delivering IT efficiency, driving IT excellency. Today we're diving into the essentials of downloading and installing 7-Zip on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine. 7-Zip is a formidable tool that's indispensable for file compression and extraction. Let's get started with these 3 easy steps. First, let's begin with why you need 7-Zip. In the world of file management, 7-Zip stands out for its high compression ratio capabilities, making it the go-to solution for reducing file sizes. This not only saves space on your device, but also improves data transfer speeds, which can be particularly beneficial when handling large files over the internet. Now, let's get started with the download process. Head over to your browser and navigate to the official 7-Zip website at 7zip.org. Here, you'll see a list of download options based on your system architecture. If you're unsure whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, head to the Settings app on Windows, then to System, and finally, About. Look for System Type. Here, you'll find the system type information. Choose the appropriate download link and click to start the process. Once the download is complete, you'll find the installer in your browser's download bar or in the designated download folder. Double-click the setup file to initiate the installation process. It's a straightforward procedure. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Be sure to install 7-Zip to a location on your hard drive where you have sufficient space, although the program itself is compact and won't consume much storage. After installation, it's time to leverage the capabilities of 7-Zip. To compress a file, navigate to the file or folder you wish to compress, right-click it, and select 7-Zip from the context menu. From there, select Add to Archive. You can choose different compression levels and formats, like 7s or zip, depending on your needs. Hit OK and let 7-Zip do its magic. As for extracting files, it's equally simple. Find the compressed file, right-click, click on Show More Options. Select 7-Zip and then Extract Here, or extract files if you wish. To specify a location, in moments the contents will be ready for you to use. Finally, isn't it reassuring to know how seamless file management can be with the right tools? With 7-Zip now at your disposal, you can ensure your files are well organized, occupy less space, and are easily shareable. And there you have it, a complete guide to downloading, installing, and utilizing 7-Zip on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Remember, mastering these tech skills not only enhances your productivity, but keeps your digital workspace efficient and organized. Be sure to check out more tutorials on cyberliusa.com tutorial page or our YouTube channel for further tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy computing!